Hello guys, this is an unboxing video for Polk subwoofer. The signature series HTS 10 is the model number. So we will quickly look at what's there in this box. So we have the subwoofer itself, we will have the front grille. The power cords would be there and some user manual, and of course the box would be having some packaging material to protect the product. So the shipping dimension, as you can see in this box, is 16.6 inch into 15 and 16.7 inches. Some of the technologies that has been used in this product are D-Base, suitable to the home theater, dynamic balance driver, the very patented the PowerPort technology, we will see that. The subwoofer also has a DC control, so to switch in and switch it off based on trigger. So the product has been bought from FX showroom in Bangalore, and here, as you can see, these are the sequence in which the product needs to be taken out from the box. It's very important that you follow these steps to avoid any damage to the grill and the diaphragm of the speaker. So without delay, let's starting with the unboxing. Let's cut it open. So as you can see here, you have the user manual, you have the power cords. It seems there are two power cords. This looks like it has the US connections. Yes. So okay, so one as per the US port and other as per the Indian connections. So we'll go ahead and remove and keep aside the manual, the power cord. Yes, and so as you take out the thermocol, here we have wow, it's quite big. I didn't expect a 10-inch woofer to be this big, but anyways, it's quite safe and sound packing. Very good job by Polk. So I've taken the subwoofer out of the box, and you can see the protective film, and there are some silica gel that helps in dehumidification. We'll take it out. Let's keep aside these ones. And so you can see there are some instructions mentioned here as well. So very important, keep away from the children. Some more dehumidification in the rear. And okay, let's take it out. Very impressive. The same signature design theme. You can see the power port that deflects the air from the vent and the below. Just to give you a picture, if you remove the grill, this is how it's going to look. Very impressive again. So you can use that as well. You have the power button at the back, and just below you have the phase selector switch. You have two line in ports, and I will be using the LFE one. And after that we have the low pass crossover frequency selection. I will set it up at 120, and you have the volume keys as well. Now I will be mating my subwoofer with the home theater, and for my setup at the moment it's a 5.1 setup. I have a S35 again from Polk as the center speaker, S15 bookshelf speaker, and the Yamaha NS F160 towers. So I'll just give you a brief about some experimentation what I have done by keeping the subwoofer in two of the location. Location 1, which is very adjacent to the door, not very comfortable to keep there, and the location 2. Location 2 is my finalized location. However, I would like to mention when I kept it at number 1, it gave me the best possible bus, but unfortunately it's adjacent to the door and I couldn't keep it there.